gangsta, we cool it down. Afghan sound, hey, yeah. Afghan sound.
To take a shower, take a fresh come out, get into the vibes, ball up a split. Yes, sir.
Another day, you're my lover's rock. Hey, hey. Oh, hey. Start it up, general. Light it up, leave the march. Under the sounds, roll, let's listen no private sound. No, yes, yes. Like that. Salute time when you see me come around. Know your ranks. Salute time when you see me come around. Know your ranks. It's your general come around, know your ranks. It's a generous sound. It's a generous sound. What's the stock of the Dutch? Ignorant shoes, like the people them love up. Lift down and pull up, but they want and two. This is how I do. To be ready when we go through. Things that go boom. This is no private sound. No. This is no sergeant sound. No. Salute time when you see me come around. Know your ranks. Salute time when you see me come around. Know your ranks. It's your generous sound. What side? Tuskani Dubplates.
Yes, sir. Greetings, Hilltop.
Well, sir.
There, man.
Wow, man.
Yes, sir. Everything safe?
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir. Doing a documentary on DJs, sounds, and dubplates and the movement in the Virgin Islands, particularly ST.CROIX. So, when we could sit down and have a little chat about the movements and your works and where you feel it's going and what we need to do more.
We don't know so Tuskani all the time.
Yes, sir.
No problem. We link it up. Like we go in at the back and talk a little more.
Yes, sir.
Yo.
Greetings, greetings. My name is Tuskani, and we are here with the one and only Hilltop Sounds, aka King of the Hill. And I'm doing some interviews with certain sounds and artists about the VI music and the dubplate scene and sound clash in a whole, you know. So we say Hilltop. Oh, good.
Well, greetings, people that don't know, sir. Enough respect, that don't know, sir. Tuskani, VI lovers, rock artists. Yeah. Well, we're there, live and direct in the Hilltop studio. You don't know, sir, how it is. You don't know, sir. Article man like Selector King Dread up on the scene live. So, you know, my brethren, Tuskani, I'm do his documentary and whatnot for promotion in the VI Lovers Rock thing. So, you know, I have a couple questions and, you know, yeah, well, we can do a little, you know, question and answer thing. So, yeah, we have to ask.
Yeah, man, well, working on this dubplate compilation, Tuskani Dubplates, just about finished. And got the idea of doing a documentary about dubplates, DJs, artists out of ST.CROIX, Virgin Islands. So got some things here we like to know, the people would like to know in getting all this information so the world could see what we're dealing with here. So first off is that, how long you been a DJ?
How long we been a DJ? Well, we come like we been DJ from birth.
Yeah.
I tell you, so, cause see, my father DJ, brother DJ, music just run inside of the family, the DJ thing. See, my father left from Trinidad, and him know the song business and come over here to the Virgin Islands, introduce them music thing to the Virgin Islands back in the 70s and thing, you know?
Wow.
Yeah, man, yeah. No DJ thing now go on and thing, you know. The Trini them really come introduce them kind of thing around here. They start let them know about power amp and big speaker and all them something, you know. Okay. Yeah, otherwise than that you don't know. So we still cultural, way. We just play a couple little drums and couple little things, you know. Yeah. So something, music thing, then the blood from birth, you know. Yeah. Things now with the dubplate and stuff like that, then now it's like, well, some man have to understand they have many meanings to different things. Right about now, I don't really play dubplate. And good you at the interview so people can understand the terminologies. Really and truly, I don't really play dubplate. We're here playing in the background. Specials dubplate. You know, them thing there really not dubplate, they go play and so on. Something like how Tuskani was discussing earlier. Something just to elevate your sound system. Right. Nice singing and thing, you know.
Right.
And in the sound business and so on, I listen to the sound business then from JA all the way to UK and so on. So the JA thing now, most Jamaican and most some people now will know the difference when we show them this one, you know.
Yeah.
You see this one, you know. You see song like Stone Love and so, been running things long, then play a heap of dubplate and special and 45, all kind of thing. Them even go in studio with the artists and so on, cut thing.
Right.
But you see, he had a song out of Jamaica called Silverhawk song.
Okay.
You see, Silverhawk song, I love Silverhawk song. Cause Silverhawk song play pure special alone. No dubplate, a big song, Silverhawk.
So
no
other song or DJ could have that, but that's a special one.
Watch out, listen. Not talk about special Tuskani, Silverhawk song, love artists like you. That's what I'm talking about. Pure singing thing to give goosebump and thing, man. I tell you, sing at them, man. I hear them and sing out for Silverhawk song. I say, wow. I got song, want a lot of specials. No dubplate, and they going too much club. And I kill no song.
Alright, okay, I feel you on that, man. That all DJs are into dubplates and not all DJs are into sound clash. And there's different kinds of dubplates. You got clash dubplates, you got specials as this one is as we're talking about, and so forth. Then you got your wired dubplates and stuff like that, you know. So there is a different breakdown of dubplates, and for people to know and understand that. My next question is what does dubplates mean to you as a DJ?
Well, like I say, Dubplate there, I play something in the song business and in the song world, them call them thing there like ammunition. Thing to defend your song.
Right.
You see, when you buck up on another song, try trample your song, make you turn off and so. Play heap of big music and so, make all kind of people, you know, sing out the name better than you and so. So you have to have a Dubplate there once it's a songs man. Once it's a songs man now, you have to have at least some special, some Dubplate or something, because when you buck up on some other song man now, them don't care if you want clash or you don't want clash. Them man just not say your name song, so watch out, you better defend your song.
That's it. You gotta go back in the station and pull out the ammunition. Yes, sir. Okay. My next question. What do you see the direction of VI music going?
The direction of VI music going high up like Kilimanjaro, straight up to Mount Zion, you don't know, say. What can we say? You check, we have tracked the long road, and I say, straight up Kilimanjaro, everything have to bust out. One day I go hear VI things all the way in Zimbabwe, Kenya, Ethiopia.
You get there around the world, man. You get there around the world, little by little. You know what I'm saying? Just keep it positive, loving, you know what I mean? Yes, sir. Alright, give me last question I got for you is that I won't take too much of your time. What was your first Dubplate and from which VI artist it was from?
Well, the first Dubplate, what we say, I can't even tell you really and truly, you know. Because really and truly I cut certain things myself and so, you know. And man, like I said, we've been recording things and stuff from cassette days.
Yeah.
And all kind of thing.
Yeah,
so
that machine.
One there now, that one that kind of
4-track recorders.
That one that kind of trick question. Yes. We don't want to leave somebody out.
But you mentioned batch.
But
you mentioned one of the early ones in for batch and so.
We'll say the first clean one them for the local now come from Ras Batch now.
Yes,
when
sir.
things come up on par now, and I get my first plate now from Ras Batch now.
Larger batch.
That one they know it clean and it heavy and the vocals and everything proper.
Carry
so now,
weight.
Yeah. That one they know you can take in a dance and crush a boy. Boy, I can't tell you nothing about that one there.
Yes, sir. Alright. Well, that was some good information that I learned and I share around to the massive as they check out this DVD, enjoyed it, and you know what I'm saying, see what the sounds from ST.CROIX, Virgin Islands is doing in their perspective lanes. So as we close this off, this job wants a big respect. Keep doing what you're doing in the community for the love, you know what I'm saying, not for the money, you know what I mean? And money always come after the love, you know, so respect every time, and keep pushing the VI music as you've always been doing from then till now. Respect.
Yo, you don't know, say, respect, VI love, all the way.
Later.
Boom.
Yes, we're here again. Tuskani, Mr. Lovers Rock, working on this documentary featuring VI artists, specifically ST.CROIX. And documenting the DJs, the sounds, and the movements, and those artists that do Dubplates for the sounds here, promoting the VI music and so. So Skelter, respect, give thanks for coming to our Hilltop record shop and studio. You don't know, everybody will link up here, you know. So how things, man?
Everything blessed right now, you know, just living for the music still.
Okay. Got anything new working on? Anything? Always. That's it. That's an artist for you.
It's a walking book.
That's it. Alright, well I got a few questions for the eye, you know. What does Dubplates mean to you as an artist doing it for a song?
Yeah, as an artist, you know, you feel good to a song playing your place, them, you know, it's a way to like, get your music out there.
Yes, sir.
People are feel what really going on and what kind of things you're really capable of, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And it sounds them like that because it does big them up same.
Yeah, man.
Especially if it's wicked, you know, so it's like it's promotion for both ways,
Yeah,
you know.
one hand can't clap, you know.
That's it,
We
that's
can't
it.
live with it. The artist can't live without the sound man, and the sound man can't live without the artist.
All right. What was your first dub plate, if you could remember, for which ST.CROIX song, DJ?
Well, the first sound I do was Sound Attitude. That's what Ras Attitude sound and all same too.
Large up King Attitude. Yeah, I bought a dub plate for Sound Attitude song. Yeah, man.
Attitude, right time in Top Studio same too.
Yeah, man. Respect, attitude every time, man. Alright, last question I got for you, Skeletor. You know, what do you see the direction of your music guy?
Well, that's a good question, you know, because there's a lot of things that we don't really lament on in ST.CROIX, but the recognition for the artist, you need to step up. That's the one thing I see for me.
Yeah, man.
As a unity in the islands, you know, we got a lot of artists that been out on the top for a little while, and that's kind of really all everybody know about, you know.
There's a lot of other great artists out there doing things.
Full of talent, trust me. The
man.
whole world full of talent, but specifically the VI got talk about what you know about it, right?
That's how we documenting, right, check.
Yeah, the VI full of talent, and I think all you need right now is for the artists them to get some exposure.
Yeah,
exposure is everything right now. It's just time for the man them to realize, well, we got a lot of talent in the VI and start look towards we.
Yes, sir. We got a lot of talent here, man, and you know, we got some exposure, some doors open, but still need a lot of more. And that's all we need to do. Everybody do their part and their piece, and a collective together, man. The world on watching, you know, is just to keep it consistent and more greater. You know what I'm saying? But before we knock it out here, man, Skeletor, we'll bust a little quick little freestyle. Let people in here real quick, you know.
I don't know, Skeletor is a lyrical shot.
Yes, sir.
Skeletor is a man I love the ganja same way, you know, so
let it loose.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Send me link the bushman for your piece of the cess. For the shipment team import from Bangladesh. Cause this come them were purple weapon in the west. When knock your head like a 6 in a cricket match. Like Superman kryptonite, we put the S on me chest. Only when me asleep, me two lungs get a rest. The weight grass of me brains like LeBron against the nets. From all the sticky green, that's how it go.
Yes, sir, Skeletor. Hey, give thanks for the time.
Man,
you know what I'm saying? Letting the people hear a little bit of your vibes and what you're trying to do, and you know what I'm saying, what it means to the eye and everything in the whole as we dealing with it. So yeah, man, more time, yo, keep it fire, keep it pushing, and yes, sir, more time, King, eh?
Tuskani Dubplates, you don't know. Caribbean queen, hey, my queen, hey, Omega, Caribbean queen, true love and night, music will heal me so. Omega, my